So, what exactly are mint leaves? Mint, scientifically known as mentha, is a plant genus that includes around 25 different species. The most common types are peppermint and spearmint. You've probably seen these green, aromatic leaves in drinks, desserts, or even toothpaste. But did you know mint has? Now, let's talk health benefits. Mint leaves are a lot more than just a garnish. They are loaded with nutrients, especially antioxidants like vitamin A and C. These are fantastic for boosting your immune system. Mint also helps with digestion. Have you ever had a cup of peppermint tea after a heavy? Wondering how to use mint leaves? Here are some simple ways to get the most out of them in your daily life. First up, add fresh mint to your water or iced tea for a refreshing twist. Or, throw a few leaves into your morning smoothie. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also chop mint leaves into. So, whether you're using it for its health benefits, flavor, or just to make your home smell great, mint leaves are a must-have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to use natural ingredients in your daily life. Thanks for watching.